How to add status bar in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or add it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now, here, select View. Now, there's an option called Appearance. Tap on Appearance. So basically, all the bars and all the appearance are shown here. So in order to add status bar, you'll be able to find status bar option right beneath it. So simply tap on status bar. Now here on the bottom, as you can see, the status bar has appeared. Here it will help you in counting and knowing different knowledge. Here on the bottom, you can see the layout and it will even help you in different ways. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.